I need my chud army to help me, okay? I need this to go to 4chan. Is 8chan still around? I get traffic from 8chan.mo or whatever. Is it still around? Anyway, I don't know if it's still around, but anyways, 8chan, 8kun, whatever it's called now. You know, you guys are off-brand 4chan anyway. All the image boards that are still left, okay? I need the chuds, okay? I need the chuds. I need the anons. I need the trolls, okay? I need everybody to pay attention. I need this to be shared far and wide, okay? We have to take the internet back from the normie menace, okay? The internet used to belong to chuds. Long before the word chud ever existed, the internet belonged to us, okay? It was about us, okay? MySpace was a tool to where we could get fat emo girlfriends, okay? You'd message a random fat emo girl, and then you'd get yourself an emo girlfriend. It was a tool for doing that. Bro, 20 years ago, we all had chunky emo girlfriends. The idea of an incel, like, it didn't exist, okay? The only incels there were literally guys that just played Dungeons and Dragons all day, and they were like afraid to even go on MySpace and talk to girls. The barrier to entry for getting yourself a chunky emo girlfriend was like nothing. You just had to log into MySpace and that was it. Even shy guys could get a girlfriend using MySpace. We had Newgrounds.com. Newgrounds.com was epic. We had Newgrounds. We had MySpace. MySpace had its like 3.0 profiles where you were doing like HTML. Your MySpace page was like your own freaking website. The 3.0 profiles allowed you to insert your own HTML. Every page, every MySpace page was like a personal website. You could embed videos, you could have links, you could have these little comment sections. It was so advanced. It was cool, it was awesome. It wasn't bland and boring and sterile. The internet used to be a place of thousands of websites, forums, communities. What the hell is diddly12.net? You guys don't know, but most people don't know, and most people didn't know back then. But diddly12.net was a little community that had 500 freaking users. It used to be an excellent place for networking and discussion, and now it's this sterile, shitty, sloppy, mediocre place, and it sucks. Well, let me tell you, MySpace, you message somebody on MySpace, the only way they would ghost you is if they're basically a celebrity. They just have too many messages and they can't answer them all. Other than that, bro, nobody would ghost you in like 2009, bro. It wasn't a thing, okay? It wasn't a thing. If you didn't want to talk to somebody, you just said, hey, bro, I don't like you. I don't really want to talk to you, bro. And that was the end of it. What the fuck is ghosting? That shit didn't exist back then. People didn't do that to each other back then. Now, like, come on, bro. And I want to point something out. Look at these comment sections. It may take a day or two, but you notice I reply to almost every single comment. I have almost 10,000 subscribers, and I reply to almost every single comment. I have almost 10,000 subscribers. I have hundreds of people that comment, send me emails, contact me on Telegram, and yeah, sometimes I accidentally don't get back to them fast enough. Fine. But, bro, I'm very interactive with my audience, okay? And to be honest, y'all email me some crazy shit sometimes, okay? By the way, please do not send me these Fed posty emails, okay? Please don't do that. Stop doing that. The internet got ruined by normies, right? The internet got ruined by normies. I mean, Reddit is the big forum. It's the big tent forum to end all forums. But look who controls it. I'm banned from Reddit. You know what I mean? I'm banned from Facebook. I'm banned from X. These companies that have a pledge to uphold freedom of speech, I'm banned from these companies. And you know the one company that has upheld my freedom of speech, at least so far, is YouTube. And YouTube has very clear terms of service. And I follow the terms of service to the letter. I don't violate the YouTube terms of service. And I don't get banned. However, these other companies like X and Facebook, they have me banned permanently, indefinitely, because of shit that happened 10 freaking years ago, okay? So yeah, bro, the internet has The internet has been ruined by normies. Normies have completely ruined the internet. And what do we do about this? In my opinion, bro, we need to bring back PHPBB, okay? We need to bring back forums. We need to stop having all of our eggs in one basket. We need to bring back forums, okay? The source code for PHPBB is still around, okay? Another thing, we need image boards, but we need image boards that are, you know, the 4chan software is outdated, okay? So we need new stuff. We need new stuff that works like the old stuff, okay? That's what the internet needs right now, all right? And so we need like a website like Chud Planet, or I don't know, chudplanet.org or something like that. You know, we need a forum. We need PHPBB forums, okay? That's what we really need right now more than ever. We need to bring back forums. The system wasn't broke, and we shouldn't have fixed it. It was never broken, okay? You had a bunch of little communities, and they were autonomous. And if normies wanted to destroy them and ruin them, they'd have to do it one at a time. And that worked, okay? Trying to put it all under one big tent, trying to have it all on Reddit, that was always a bad idea from the very start, guys. It was a bad idea. You give too much control to too few people. For you Zoomers, you don't even know what PHPBB is probably, okay? But you need to learn, okay? Because we're gonna get the internet running like it used to run. It's never going to be quite the same because the past is gone and you can't romanticize the past. You have to look into the future. But we need to take the elements of the past that worked and implement them, okay? We need to save the internet from normies, okay? So I'm on a mission to save the internet from death and destruction. And I think we could do it using PHPBB. We just need to start forums, okay? And I'm suggesting that 5 or 6 guys, me included, get together and we'll say, okay, we're all going to come together, start a new forum. And then 6 other guys over here. Maybe Sam Hyde could do it. I would love Sam Hyde. Sam Hyde could have his own PHPBB forum and you could run ads on it or whatever. You know, that way it generates a little bit of revenue. And then, you know, maybe you could have a couple paid supporters or whatever. I don't know. I don't know the exact business behind that, how you'd make money off of it. I think you just run ads on it, whatever. You could run little tiny Google AdSense ads, way less intrusive than the ads on YouTube even. So, I mean, they'd just be little squares this big. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, right? And it'd probably be relevant advertising. You'd be seeing shit that you like anyway. Not a big deal, you know? At some point, something has to make money in order for, it costs money to host a website. So you at least want it to make money to pay for itself, right? Does that make any sense, guys? Anyways, I just want to let you guys know the internet wasn't always like this, okay? MySpace used to be lit. Every chud had a fat emo girlfriend, okay? Some of you lucked out and you married your fat emo girlfriend and you guys lucked out because you guys, it's like you guys got off the train right on time, okay? Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all the good stuff. Thank you for watching the video. Jordan Jereb, signing off.